Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, lane keep assist, all-terrain tires, tonneau cover, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling storage on the bottom there with speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows there. And here you're going to have these leather heated seats, super comfortable. Left side will be your vents, and as well as below, you're going to be your trailer brake controller. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert. And the right side being your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. And it switches through your Google Maps as well as your pitch and roll with a transfer case, forward gap adjuster, and just your simple design. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google Play Store and Maps. Here you hit vehicle status, and it's going to give you all the vehicle information you need. Works super fast, and that's tires and brakes, fluids, filters, and trip info, excuse me. As well as you can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as the parallel mirror cams with park assist, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as off-road and air down mode, which lets you set a target pressure for your tires and deflate them over rocky terrain. So you're going to have climate controls right there with auto stop and lane keep assist, 2 USB ports and a wireless charging pad with your 2- and 4-wheel and drive. Lots of extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Speakers and vents up top, and then huge access rain lamps and your on-start SOS. So you're gonna use blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires with the black mirror caps and door handles. You're gonna have the Trail Boss badge in there with the Intu's tri-folding tonneau cover with the black corner step bumper. And you got your bed tie downs with a spray-on bed liner. It's a pretty spacious rear. Then onto the rear interior, again, a couple of storage next to the speaker, power windows there. Hop at the back. You're gonna have a cup holder and vents on the bottom there. As well as seats fold up for more storage. You got a manual rear sliding window with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss, equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, drive mode selector, lane keep assist, air down mode, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.